have a good married life, you need not have the best person with you. But what is important is, you need to have the right person with you. But looking at you both, walking together, holding hands of each other,